hotel. 712. Let me in, let me in, let me in, let me in. And we enter. And this is the foyer to the toilet, to the bathroom, to here, to, let me shut the freaking door. Oh, it's a tight fit. Jesus. It's not for fat boys, that's for sure. You get hair dryer, cups, body lotion, typical toothbrush, toothpaste, whatever. And here's the little shower. I can show you better, but it's hard to do in this freaking thing because it's so tiny. Body wash, conditioner, shampoo, all name brands from Savoy. Here, this little entrance right here. That's what I gotta walk through. Then we gotta get to the door, and the door cuts off half the entrance. There, my hand fits. Not my fat ass. Jeez. All right. You get a cooler, refrigerator, probably off right now. Tea maker, your safe, nothing in it. Cups, 4 bottles of water, teas, coffees, his and hers bathrobes, that's kind of cool. Slippers, stand thing. Then here's the room. My backpack and Christmas bag here. Go all the way around. The view is, yeah. Here's the view. We get to look at the neighbors.
Oh my god, it's so long.
Huh?
So long. We're in the 7th floor.
Yeah. Yeah, we're on the 7th floor, so you can't really look down. Because I'm fat and I don't like looking down. I'm scared of heights. But yeah, this is the Savoy room for 60 some odd dollars. Maybe $70, I guess. We thought it was going to be bigger from the pictures, but it's not. And Summit and Teclaban, so much better. Yeah. Yeah, you get what you get.
Sleep better, save water in your eyes.
Yeah, sleep better, save water. Oh. Remote TV. All right.